Hello, Miss Legilia's classes. This is Mrs. Cavalier. I apologize, I'm not able to be with you today. And so I'm just going to give a short tutorial on a reminder of where to go for your research. I know that you've already been working for a little while and you do have some research gathered already. And so I just wanted to, if you're still having trouble, you'll see that, our databases are always in topic 1, which is right here. As you can see, we've got all kinds of different databases for you, especially things like teen health and wellness, which can come in handy if anyone has any science-based claims that they're trying to research or investigate. And if you scroll down to topic 3, you've probably seen these before. You'll see that it says excellent databases for things like research papers and persuasive essays and persuasive speeches and causal arguments. May have come up over the past year or so, especially, after looking at your assignment, you are being investigative reporters. So if you're still looking for research, I do think that some of these databases are good. Again, ProQuest, hold on. Sorry. ProQuest is here. Remember, when you log on to ProQuest, you want to click on this ProQuest here so that it actually opens up. And remember that you'd want to have an advanced search so that you can get more specific articles, related to your topic. So let's say you wanted to look into, body image. So you could do body image, and then over here, you want to change where it says anywhere to, let's say, title. And maybe you want to look into the media. And again, you want to switch this to title over here. You want a more specific search. Remember, in ProQuest, you want to make sure you're clicking where it says full text, or you will not get full text documents. And then you want to hit the search button. And now you're getting 49 results. Okay. Research directions in social media and body image. Does media type matter? So that's not good. Let's see. Social media and body image concerns, further consideration. So these are some things that you could use. Media image influences on body image and disordered eating. Okay. So let's say you wanted to use this article. So I know you're looking for, studies and stats and things like that. And so maybe this article would be good. Okay. It's from as you can see, it's from a journal. And it has a study and participants. You are seniors after all. So let's keep that in mind. Okay. So there's an article right there. So if we go back, another one. So an academic one file is very similar. Questia is similar. So these are your 3 broad databases. Opposing viewpoints and issues and controversies are really good for argument and debate topics, which I know that some of you are, really going to try and, you're going to state your claim and you're going to go for it. These 2 databases are really good for that. You've probably used them in the past. So again, if you wanted to use opposing viewpoints, let's say you wanted to say body image and media. And again, notice I'm not, here's the body image presented by the media promotes disordered eating. Okay, so that might be something that's helpful in terms of my research, okay? Because maybe I'm saying that, media and social media and things like that are having a bad effect on body image. And so perhaps I want this one as well. So, and then let's say I want to find something on the web. Sorry. I'm going to use sweetsearch.com. Remember, this is the search engine that is for students. You are students. So let's say I'm typing in body image and media. Okay, so teen health and the media body image. This is something from the Washington.edu. Um, let's say I'm going to want to look at this. Okay, so now I have 3 articles. Okay, I have an article from a website, which is this one, and I have 2 articles from databases. So the next thing I might want to do is I might want to now use Easybib. Now, as you know, if you go to easybib.com, you'll have the option to log in. My screen looks a little different because I'm at home, so it doesn't say Pro for Institutions, but at school it would say that. So you'd want to log in, and once you log in, I'm going to sign in with Google. Most of you probably already use Google. You want to make sure you're signing in. So now I'm in. I know I'm in the right place because it says, Hi, Mrs. I want to make a new project because this is new research. And so I'm going to call this body image. And I'm making sure it is in MLA style, and I'm clicking Create. If it happens to stay on that little saving screen, remember, you hit X out of that little screen and then hit the refresh button, and then your project will show up. So I'm going to click in here into my bibliography. So now I'm going to stay there. Okay, let's see. So let's do this one. Okay, so this is the ProQuest article. Okay, now I want to cite this in Easybib. The easiest way to do that is to go right over here to where it says More, click it, and then you'll notice that it says Easybib. Click the Easybib button, and then just click Continue. You don't need abstracts, so leave it on without abstracts, and then click Import. And now there is your citation, perfectly done in MLA format. So the next thing you would want to do is, let's say you want this article. Same thing. You go over here to where it says Tools, you click Citation Tools, and then again, you could click Easybib, and it would open it up, right? You know, it would send it right to Easybib. But if you're doing the copy and paste method, okay, all you would do is you would copy the citation. I'm going to do Control C. You could click Easybib. I'm just showing you that this is the copy and paste way. Go to Easybib. Now it says website, book, video, film, journal, database. Click where it says database. Right underneath here it says copy and paste. You want to click where it says copy and paste, and you want to paste that citation right in there. And then you want to click create citation. Now notice, now I have 2 citations, and I'm in my one bibliography here. And now I just want to show you what you do when you have a web article, because this is where people get a little iffy, because you need to make sure that what it gives you, you know, what Easybib finds for you, you have to find the rest. So I'm copying this URL here at the top, and now I'm going to Easybib. I'm making sure it's on website. I'm popping this URL here, and then I'm clicking Cite It. So now it says, okay, so it's saying, here's what we found. We found the student, this is the name of the website. This is the name of the article. This is the date it was accessed. It does not know the publisher, when it was electronically published, or if there are authors. It is also saying that this site has not been evaluated. Now, since you're using Sweet Search, chances are it's been evaluated by Sweet Search and it's good. But if you're ever curious, you click on this evaluate button, and these are the things that you should be looking for, okay? When you are author, the publisher, is it biased? Is it current? Has stuff in there been reproduced? Citations, accuracy, is it a complete comprehensive website source? Is it credible? Those are the things you want to look at when you're looking at a website. So, publisher, so you want to scroll down usually to the bottom of a website, okay? And it is the publisher is the Society for Science and the Public. Okay, I'm noticing that the last year here, so I'm copying that, hold on. So I want to copy that and I want to paste that after I'm going to click continue to the final step. So that's the publisher. I'm going to put that in there. And you see LearnSite is helping us see exactly what our citation is going to look like? Okay, well, let's look up here to see if there's a date. There sure is, September 19th, 2014, and it's giving us an Amanda Lee Mascarelli is the author. So Amanda Lee Mascarelli is the name of the person here. So we want to put in Amanda Lee. Of course, I might have spelt Lee wrong. I might have spelt Lee the way I spell Lee. Oh yeah, I spelled it wrong. My middle name is also Lee. Okay, and then electronically published, I believe it said September, so you want to do 24th of September 2016. If you're not looking for these things, no, I'm sorry, it said 2014. If you're not looking for these things, then your citation is not complete. And that's really important to know what goes into a citation. Again, you can see I'm going to click Create Citation. That is a full website citation. Mascarelli, Amanda Lee. The title, which is The Media's Dangerous Influence on Body Image. The name of the website, Student Science. The name of the publisher, Society for Science and the Public. The date, which was September 24th, 2014. It is a web source. And the date that it was accessed. That is a full citation. So I know this is a little lengthy to go through, but as seniors, I want to make sure that you understand that you have to create a works cited page and that you have to have it be correct. It has to have all of the information that's necessary. So let's say you're done and now you want to export this. You want it on a Google Doc or a Word doc. For all intents and purposes, I'm going to show you how to do a Google Doc. If you click here where it says export, you see it says print as Word doc. You can also save it as a Word doc. You could save it as a Google Doc. You could save it to Dropbox. You could do all these things. But I'm going to show you how to save to Google Docs. I'm going to click here, and it's redirecting me because I'm connected with Google Docs in here. And now it says it's been uploaded. So if I click here, it is going to give you a perfectly formatted works cited page. So you'll see everyone is, all the authors are in alphabetical order. It's perfectly, done. The margins are correct. It's in the right, Times New Roman, looking good. So really that's all I have to show you. I'm going to be back tomorrow. So if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask them when I see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.